एग्जाम की तैयारी बिना प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर्स की अधूरी है, क्योंकि यहाँ से आते हैं एज इट इज क्वेश्चन या फिर उन्हीं सिमिलर टॉपिक से क्वेश्चन जो कि इन पेपर में ऑलरेडी पूछे जा चुके हैं। तो अपनी तैयारी को 100% करने के लिए प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर्स करना हो जाता है बहुत ही ज्यादा जरूरी। हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल तैयारी एग्जाम की। इस चैनल पर हम डिस्कस करते हैं सभी सेमेस्टर्स और सभी स्ट्रीम्स के प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर्स को, जिनको कर कर आप कर सकते हैं अपनी एग्जाम की तैयारी को 100%। तो मेक श्योर कि आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें और इसे अपने सभी दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें ताकि उनकी तैयारी भी हो सके 100%। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। आज हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं एमएड एमएड फोर्थ सेमेस्टर का पेपर, चाइल्ड साइकोलॉजी पेपर 402C। ये पेपर हुआ है फरवरी 2025 में। अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आती है, आपके लिए हेल्पफुल होती है, तो मेक श्योर आप इसे लाइक जरूर करें। कमेंट सेक्शन में बताइए आपको वीडियो कैसी लगी और इसे अपने सभी दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करना ना भूलें। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। पहला क्वेश्चन है, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज एन एस्पेक्ट ऑफ ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट? आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर डी, ऑल ऑफ द अबव। Question number 2. What are the main causes of growth and development? Answer is option number C, both A and B. Question number 3. Who gave the theory of psychosexual development? Answer is option number B, Freud. Question number 4. Who gave the theory of language development? Answer is option number A, Chomsky. Question number 5. Which stage is considered the basic of human life? Answer is option number A, prenatal. Question number 6. Which of the following is not a characteristic of infancy? Answer is option number A, feeling of self-respect. Question number 7. At what stage does formal education begin? Answer is option number A, option number B, childhood. Question number 8. Adolescence is a period of struggle, tension, storm and opposition. Who said this? Answer is option number A, Hall. Question number 9. What is the role of home, school and society in the mental health of children? Answer is option number B, help in proper social adjustment. Question number 10. Which is the center of educational psychology? Answer is option number A, student. Question number 11. By which method is the growth and development of a child studied? Answer is option number A, case history method. Question number 12. Is characterized by fundamental instincts? Answer is option number B, basic instincts are found in all living beings. Question number 13. Not a feature of infancy? Answer is option number D, to have morals. Question number 14. What is the most difficult period of life? Answer is option number A, adolescence. Question number 15. How many major stages of moral development are there according to Kohlberg? Answer is option number B, 3. Question number 16. Personality is an integrated pattern of traits. Who gave this definition? Answer is option number A, Guilford. Question number 17. How many types of personalities has Kresmer described on the basis of anatomical approach? Answer is option number C, 4. Question number 18. Which of the following is a personality type according to Jung? Answer is option number D, all of the above. Question number 19. Which of the following is a biological factor affecting personality? Answer is option number A, endocrine glands. Question number 20. Who gave the psychosocial theory of personality? Answer is option number C, Erickson. Question number 21. Who has propounded the trait theory of personality? Answer is option number A, Cattell. Question number 22. Who according to Freud represents social control? Answer is option number C, superego. Question number 23. There is an extra area of physical development. Answer is option number A, all above. Question number 24. The brain of a newborn child is like a blank paper on which experiences are written. Who has given this statement? Answer is option number A, John Locke. Question number 25. Sensation is the gateway of knowledge. This is answer is option number A, mental development. Question number 26. Which of the following is the cause of juvenile delinquency? Answer is option number D, all of the above. Question number 25. There are school related causes of juvenile delinquency. Answer is option number D, all of the above. Question number 28. Which of the following is not a factor causing personal maladjustment? Answer is option number B, security of position. Question number 29. Which of the following is the general principles of growth and development? Answer is option number D, all of the above. Question number 30. Which of the following is the basis of growth and development? Answer is option number C, both A and B. Question number 31. What is the main factor affecting growth and development? Answer is option number D, all of the above. Question number 32. What is the third stage of human development? Answer is option number B, adolescence. Question number 33. Who has called childhood a period of false maturity? Answer is option number B, Ross. Question number 34. Implantation is the main feature of which state? Answer is option number A, period of ovum. Question number 35. What is the number of bones in a newborn baby? Answer is option number A, 308. Question number 36. By what age does a child achieve approximately 50% of his mental development? Answer is option number C, 5 years. Question number 37. The pace of mental development in childhood is comparable to that in infancy. Answer is option number A, less. Question number 38. Emotion is a moved or stirred up state of the individual. Who gave this definition? Answer is option number B, Woodworth. Question number 39. What is the main characteristic of emotional development in adolescence? Answer is option number D, all of the above. Question number 40. According to Piaget, there is no main stage of moral development. Answer is option number C, moral stability. Question number 41. Trust versus distrust is related to which stage? Answer is option number A, infancy. Question number 42. Which of the following is a method of personality measurement? Answer is option number D, all of the above. Question number 43. Which of the following is a projective method of personality measurement? Answer is option B, construction technique. Question number 44. How many cards are there in the Rorschach ink blot test? Answer is option number A, 10. Question number 45. Who created the thematic apperception test? Answer is option number B, C.D. Morgan. Question number 46. How many personality traits are analyzed by Cattell? Answer is option number C, 16. Question number 47. What personality type do philosophers, poets, and artists fall into? Answer is option number A, introvert. Question number 48. On which basic instinct did Freud place the most emphasis? Answer is option number B, sex instinct. Question number 46. The unconscious mind is studied. Answer is option number A, by psychoanalytic methods. Question number 50. A child has a personality in childhood. Answer is option number D, none of the above. Sorry, इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर ए, एक्सट्रोवर्ट. अ चाइल्ड हैज अ पर्सनालिटी इन चाइल्डहुड, जनरली एक्सट्रोवर्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 51. दिस इज अ conscious part of our brain. Answer is option number A, 1/10 part. Question number 52. Who has created the child perception test? Answer is option number D, Leopold Belloc. Question number 53. In general terms, we may say that mental health is the harmonious functioning of the whole personality. Who gave this definition? Answer is option number B, Hadfield. Question number 54. Who is credited with starting mental health science? Answer is option number A, C.W. Beers. Question number 55. Who first used the term mental hygiene? Answer is option number B, C.W. Beers. Question of 56. What is the following? Which of the following is the aim of mental hygiene? Answer is option number D, all of the above. Question number 57. Which of the following is not a characteristic of good mental health? Answer is option number B, inability to adjust. Question number 58. Which of the following is a factor affecting mental health? Answer is option number D, all of the above. Question number 59. Which of the following characteristic is found in mentally healthy teachers? Answer is option number D, all of the above. Question number 60. Adjustment is the outcome of the individual's efforts to deal with stress and meet his needs. Who gave this definition? Answer is option number A, Norman Almond. Question number 61. In the absence of adjustment, a person has to face. Answer is option number D, all of the above. Question number 62. Which of the following is not a characteristic of adjustment? Answer is option number A, adjustment is a one-way process. Question number 63. Which of the following does not hinder the process of adjustment? Answer is option number A, satisfaction. Question number 64. Which of the following is a direct method of adjustment? Answer is option number B, changing base. Question number 65. When the development of the same subject is studied over a period of time, the study is called. Answer is option number D, longitudinal study. Question number 66. The research strategy for assessing personality stability and to study two or more groups assumed to be at different stages of development is. Answer is option number B, cross-sectional study. Question number 67. What is not correct in reference to case study method? Answer is option number C, it is simple and cheap. Question number 68. A questionnaire that offers no scope for any respondent's own view is called. Answer is option number A, close-ended questionnaire. Question number 69. A collection of children's works which respect their development and progress is. The answer is option number B, or option number C, portfolio. Question number 70. Who is the proponent of project method? Answer is option number A, Kilpatrick. Question number 71. Who is the proponent of branch programmed instruction? Answer is option number B, Norman A. Crowder. Question number 72. What is the principle of continuity in growth and development? Answer is option number C, development is a continuous process. Question number 73. Who is the center of guidance? Answer is option number A, person. Question number 74. Which of the following is not an objective of guidance? Answer is option number C, solve the person's problems. Question number 75. What is the approach of need for guidance? Answer is option number D, all of the above. Question number 76. Which of the following is a measurement method used in guidance? Answer is option number D, all of the above. Question number 77. Which of the following is an important part of counseling process? Answer is option number D, all of the above. Question number 78. Which of the following is not a main principle of counseling? Answer is option number B, practicality. Question number 79. Which of the following is not a technique used in family therapy? Answer is option number B, non-structural family therapy. Question number 80. 11 primary factors are related to which therapy of counseling? Answer is option number C, group therapy. Question number 81. Who was the father of sports therapy? Answer is option number A, Herodicus. Question number 82. Who developed non-directive counseling? Answer is option number A, Carl Rogers. Question number 83. Which of the following is a type of counseling? Answer is option number B, both A and B. Question number 84. What type of counseling is often provided in child guidance clinics? Answer is option number C, family and individual counseling. Question number 85. Child guidance clinics aims to prevent which of the following issues in children? Answer is option number B, behavioral disorders. Question number 86. What is one possible limitation of child guidance clinic in India? Answer is option number C, shortage of trained personnel. Question number 87. Where did the child guidance clinic first start? Answer is option number A, Chicago. Question number 88. Which of the following is not a main area of guidance? Answer is option number C, entertaining. Question number 89. Which agency typically provides guidance services in schools? Answer is option number C, counseling centers. Question number 90. Which theory of child development was given by Jean Piaget? Answer is option number B, cognitive development. Question number 91. Who among the following gave the theory of moral development? Answer is option number C, Lawrence Kohlberg. Question number 92. By what name did Freud address the parental love of girls? Answer is option number B, Electra complex. Question number 93. What is the best method for assessing mental health in children? Answer is option number D, psychological evaluation and interview. Question number 94. The MMPI is related to. Answer is option number C, personality. Question number 95. What is the Sar-Graves attitude? An example of. Answer is option number C, rationalization. Question number 96. Who said that morality development in morality developed in stages? Answer is option number B, Kohlberg. Question number 97. The aim counseling services is to prepare individuals who can. Answer is option number D, all of the above. Question number 98. In normal personality, according to Freud, answer is option number C, both A and B. Question number 99. Which of the following is a symptom of poor mental health? Answer is option number D, all of the above. Question number 100. Going back or going back to the past is the key feature of this defense strategy. Answer is option number B, regression. तो ये था आपका पेपर ऑफ चाइल्ड साइकोलॉजी. आई होप ये पेपर आपकी एग्जाम प्रिपरेशन में आपके लिए काफ़ी हेल्पफुल रहेगा. अगर किसी भी क्वेश्चन किसी भी ऑप्शन में डाउट है तो प्लीज़ उसे कमेंट सेक्शन में मेंशन ज़रूर करें. जो भी करेक्शंस होंगे उन्हें हम कमेंट सेक्शन में पिन कर देंगे फॉर एवरीवन. Once again, thank you so much for watching the video, guys, and make sure to like the video. Please do like the video and comment section में बताइए आपको वीडियो कैसी लगी और अपने सभी दोस्तों के साथ इसे शेयर करना ना भूलें. Thank you so much, guys, and keep supporting.